Hi everyone! Welcome back to Vintage Nook. My name is Michelle, and I'm so excited to have you here today. If you love rustic, cozy, and budget-friendly home decor ideas, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into the enchanting world of cottagecore. I'll be sharing 20 affordable green and white rustic decor ideas to help you bring that warm, countryside charm into your modern home. Let's get started. Create your own rustic lanterns by repurposing mason jars. Simply add tea lights or fairy lights inside, and you'll have a warm, glowing centerpiece for any room. These lanterns bring an inviting, cozy feel to your space, perfect for a rustic yet affordable decor touch. A beautiful way to infuse nature into your home is by displaying dried flowers in vintage bottles. Whether you choose lavender, roses, or baby's breath, these blooms add a touch of charm to your space without the need for constant maintenance. Display them on a wooden shelf or windowsill for a timeless, cottage-inspired look. Add an elegant, vintage touch to your home by layering delicate lace or crochet doilies on tables and dressers. These intricate handmade pieces instantly elevate the look of any surface, bringing a bit of nostalgia and softness to your decor. Find them at local thrift stores or craft them yourself. Give old wooden crates a second life by using them as rustic shelves or side tables. Stack them for a unique, functional storage solution that doubles as decor. These versatile pieces not only provide storage but also add a charming farmhouse feel to your home. Create a simple yet rustic table runner using burlap fabric. This inexpensive material can instantly transform your dining table into a cozy, cottage-inspired setting. Add a few sprigs of dried flowers or small candles along the runner for a complete, affordable centerpiece. Pressed flowers are a simple yet beautiful way to decorate your home. Collect your favorite blooms, press them between parchment paper, and frame them in vintage-style frames. These art pieces can bring nature inside, adding a soft and natural aesthetic to your walls. Incorporating vintage books into your decor is a charming way to add character to your space. Stack them on coffee tables, side tables, or shelves, and let their faded spines tell a story of days gone by. This affordable decor element brings warmth and history to any room. Turn mismatched teacups into charming candle holders to add a whimsical touch to your decor. Whether you find them at thrift stores or already have some in your collection, they're perfect for creating cozy lighting in any room. A small candle inside will add a soft, inviting glow. Craft your own rustic wreaths using twigs, dried flowers, or greenery. These handmade pieces add a welcoming touch to your front door or wall. Whether for a seasonal display or as an everyday decor item, wreaths bring a lovely, nature-inspired accent to your home. Bring in a bit of whimsy by creating fabric bunting banners. Use scraps of fabric in floral or checkered patterns and hang them above a window, across a wall, or near a doorway. This simple yet delightful decor idea adds a playful, cozy element to your home. Give vintage or old picture frames a second life by using them to display family photos, nature-inspired art, or pressed flowers. These frames, often found at thrift stores, can add a rustic touch to your home, offering a vintage look without the price tag. Adding a patterned throw blanket to your couch or bed is an easy way to infuse cottagecore charm into your space. Look for second-hand quilts or throw blankets in soft pastel colors or floral prints to bring comfort and warmth to your home while still staying on budget. A vintage-style mirror can brighten up any space, adding both light and rustic charm. Look for mirrors with distressed wooden frames or ornate designs to create a focal point in your living room, hallway, or bedroom. This is a simple yet elegant way to enhance your home's decor. Upcycle recycled tin cans or glass jars into charming planters for herbs. Place them on your windowsill or kitchen counter to create a cozy, rustic touch. Not only are they functional, but they also bring a bit of greenery into your home without a significant cost. Create your own wooden signs with hand-painted quotes, such as "Home Sweet Home" or "Live Simply." You can use reclaimed wood or wooden planks from thrift stores. These signs add a personal, rustic element to your walls and are a great way to showcase your creative side. Drape warm fairy lights around your bed frame, shelves, or windows to create a magical, cozy atmosphere. The soft glow of these lights adds warmth and a soft sparkle to your space, perfect for evenings when you want to relax and unwind. Reclaimed wood shelves can be an excellent addition to any room. Use them to store books, display plants, or house vintage knickknacks. These shelves bring a natural, rustic feel to your space while also being eco-friendly and budget-conscious. Find vintage teacups, plates, and bowls at thrift stores and display them on open shelves. These charming pieces add character to your kitchen or dining room, and you can find many sets for a fraction of the cost of new dishes. Display them for an eclectic, cottage-inspired vibe. Bring the beauty of nature into your home with simple sketches or prints of plants, birds, and flowers. Frame these prints in simple wooden frames and display them in your living room, hallway, or bedroom for a calming and rustic aesthetic. Layering rugs in earthy tones like beige, brown, and green can instantly make your space feel warm and inviting. Mix different textures and sizes for a cozy, lived-in look. Layered rugs help define spaces and add a soft, rustic touch to your floors. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed these cottagecore decor ideas and found some inspiration for your own home. If you love this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Vintage Nook, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our cozy decor tips. I'd love to hear your thoughts and favorite ideas in the comments below, so let's chat. Until next time, stay creative and cozy. Bye! Thank you.